Oh my goodness, I swear I hate this freaking alarm. Oh, time to make some breakfast. Alright, perfect. Now time to get us to Luigi. Oh boy, I'm excited for breakfast today. The usual? Yeah, I'm sorry, I couldn't get something new, but... Hey, don't you like this stuff? I guess so. Let's just dig in. Okay. So... Luigi, how was your sleep? It was fine, I guess. Oh, how come? Is there something wrong? Well, I don't know. It's just I've been... Shoot. Hello, this is Mario Plumbing. Yes? Yes? Okay, we're on our way. We'll be as fast as a speed bullet. I'm sorry to say, Luigi, but we have to hurry really quick. Somebody's in help. I'll be back for you, honey. I promise. Wait. Okay, continue. Wait a minute. Mario, where's the van? Shoot! What happened? Well, okay. One night, I was driving to the supermarket until the engine blew up. So I had to sell the thing. Whatever, that van sucked anyways. I'll go call an Uber.
I'm coming. Oh, you guys are finally here. Alright, come inside. I'll give you a drink and I'll tell you what happens. Come on.
Oh wow, thank you so much. I really appreciate the drinks. So, what's your problem?
Okay, so this is my problem. So the sink in my bathroom is clogged up because I spit freaking hairballs like a cat. I know it's disgusting and I know it's terrible, but I spit hairballs like a cat and they sometimes come out of my butthole and I poop in the sink sometimes. Yeah, watch a while, tell your friends, it's pretty fun. But I need you guys to clean my sink like really bad. Like scrub the absolute ding dong diddly crap out of it. Like it's very bad, and I'll pay you guys very handsomely too.
Well, don't worry, sir. We're plumbers, for Christ's sakes. That's what we do best. We'll fix your bathroom as fast as possible. Let's go, Luigi. What? But Mario, our waters.
Well, I'm not drinking these.
All right, time to fix up. Oh my goodness! Well, looks like we got a lot of cleaning to do. Mario, do you need me to do anything? Just wait there. Don't worry. Don't worry, Luigi. This will be very quick. I promise. I got this handled. Oh. Okay. Ow! Jesus, my back! Oh my goodness! Ow! Ooh, my back! Ooh, I need to go outside for a bit. Jesus! Jesus, I need to walk for a bit. Mario's not here, but I could maybe fix it for him. Just let me. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, how does it get in here so easily? Okay. How do I fix this? Ooh, I got it.
It must be nothing. They're probably fixing it.
Does that work? How did Mario do it? I should have paid attention to how Mario do it. Yeah, just... let's hope it works. What? Oh my goodness! Mamma mia, it worked! Oh my goodness, I did! Oh my goodness! Yeah, oh, I'm Luigi, alright. Okay, now I need to close it. What? Why isn't it closing? Why isn't it closing? What's going on? Why is this thing not closing? Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. No, this is not good. This is not very. No, why is nothing working? Why? Oh my goodness! No! This cannot be happening. This cannot be. Why is it not working? What? Okay. Oh, what's going on?
Okay, what the hell is going on up there? What's going on here?
Don't worry. We're still trying to fix your sink. Don't worry. We're doing our job. What? Okay, this is bad. No, Mario, put yourself together. This is not bad. Don't worry. It's just 1-star review. But everyone's gonna hate us. Oh my goodness. Why did this have to happen? Why did? Luigi, why did you have to do that? Because of that, I don't even know where to play rent. That guy didn't even pay us jack anything. Why would you even do that, Luigi? You know how much you screwed up? Okay, bro, I get it. I screwed up. I'm sorry. I just wanted to help Mario, but no, you pushed me aside. You pushed me aside like I'm nothing. I just wanted to help Mario, but you didn't even give me any directions. If you get, you know what? If you gave me directions, maybe, just maybe, none of this would happen. Huh?
What's so stupid, Mario Brothers?
Oh no! What of all times? What do you want from us?
Well, I heard in the news that you two, you little brony and had messed up somebody's house. And what happened was that your little brother did all the mess, and it makes everything so dang funny. And even better, they even showed on the news with the actual damage. Oh man, I don't even know why your brother's even a plumber if he could make a clown trying to make the kids laugh.
Listen here, Spike. You can mess with me. You can mess with how I look. But there's one rule you don't break in front of me. You do not mess with my brother! Oh my god!
Oh man, I completely forgot how much of a punk you are, man.
Okay, that's it! Luigi, we're done here! Let's just go home! I'm so sick of this!
Wait. I want to show you something first.
What?
That's your stuff over there.
What the heck is this stuff?
Let's say this is all the stuff that were in your house, and let's just say I came in for a little visit and did some wrecking, and you got evicted, motherfucker!
What? Get out of here! Ugh. Today is a great day, am I right, Luigi? We lost everything. We almost probably lost our job. Now everybody proudly hates us since that's on the news. Man, what an incredible day for the Super Mario Brothers. Mario, listen, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry if I lashed out at you. It's fine, Luigi. It's fine. I just have to let it all out, okay? Where are we gonna live now, though? I know who to call. Don't worry. Just let me breathe for a bit. I just need this. Yes? Hello? Yeah, we might need a ride, actually.
And here we are, your brand new room. I know it's a crazy room, but what do you guys think? It's perfect, honestly. Thank you so much for this room. We'll take it. Oh my goodness. No problem. Just make yourselves at home, and I'll be in my room if you guys need anything. All right? Okay. Oof. This bed is really nice, honestly. I almost want to jump on it. But that would be pretty stupid of me. I never even realized how nice the air is. Have you ever given your thoughts on this room, Louis? Look, Luigi, I just want to apologize if I seemed a bit angry back there. I didn't expect you to do anything like that, and I don't know. At that moment, I was just baffled that I would actually try to help you out. What do you mean by that? Mario, do you remember that question you asked me back at the old house? Well, it kind of relates to that question you asked this morning. What I was thinking of last night. It was honestly feeling left out. I don't know. I feel like everything we do, save Peach from Bowser, do a regular plumbing job, I feel like I don't do anything and you do all the work. And I appreciate you want to put all the effort, but I just want to be the not to watch you do all the things, but I just want to help you do all the stuff with you. And that was why I did what I did today. And now I wish it didn't go like that. I wish my brain actually worked instead of thinking I can just do all that by myself. What am I saying? What am I even saying? I don't even know if I'm even good at any of this stuff. You know what? You know, Mario, never mind. Maybe you had a reason why you pushed me aside. Just all I wanted was help, all right? And maybe it was the last choice. Maybe it was the right choice for me to not even bother. I'm sorry for neglecting you, I guess. I guess I was just so focused on all of this that I never thought about you. And hearing all that, I'm deeply sorry, Luigi. I never meant to neglect you like this. You're my brother. I care about you. I guess I didn't care enough. But you know what? I can change that. I could act. How about this? How about I teach you the ways of plumbing? I know it's kind of dumb to say, but I feel like maybe I did a poor job at teaching you, and I don't mind fixing that. Why not I teach you all the skills I taught from our dad, and everything I've learned, probably from some of it from YouTube, admittedly, but I could help you. I'm willing to change. I'm sorry if I made you think this way. But you know what? Now that I hear you out, I'm willing to be the best brother you ever asked for. So what do you say?
Count me in.